Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Freshchat to Wix for responsive customer UX, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Freshchat to your Wix site, start by logging into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard of the specific site you want to integrate Freshchat with. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Apps. Next, click on Visit Wix App Market. In the Wix App Market, use the search, click on the Add to Site button. You will be redirected to the Freshchat setup page. If you don't have a Freshchat account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to sign up or log into your existing Freshchat account. Once logged into Freshchat, you will see the integration settings. Copy the Freshchat workspace ID provided on this page. Return to your Wix dashboard. On the Freshchat setup page, paste the workspace ID into the appropriate field. Customize any additional settings as needed. After configuring the settings, click Save or Publish to apply the changes. Check your site to ensure the Freshchat widget appears as intended. Test the functionality by sending a message through the Freshchat widget. If everything is working correctly, you've successfully connected Freshchat to your Wix site. This integration will enhance your customer experience with responsive support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.